Ever heard of the dodo? A bird that couldn't fly, wasn't afraid of humans, and now it's extinct. The dodo lived peacefully on Mauritius, a paradise with no predators. So when humans arrived, it didn't run. Instead, it became an easy target. Dogs and pigs brought by humans ate its eggs. And in less than 100 years, the dodo vanished from the earth forever. It wasn't dumb. It just lived in a world that changed too fast. Today, the dodo is a symbol of human-driven extinction. We can't bring it back, but we can protect the next species before they become just a memory.